In 2026, most people think low income is the biggest cause of financial stress. But the truth is, the real panic comes from having no safety net. It's the lack of an emergency fund that turns a small, unexpected expense into a full-blown crisis, stopping your financial progress in its tracks. That's why building one is the single most important first step any beginner can take. Welcome to Money Clarity. In this video, we're going to explain how to build an emergency fund step by step in a simple and realistic way that works for a USA audience. If you want to feel confident about your finances instead of confused, take a moment to like this video and subscribe. We break down complex money topics to make them easy for everyone. So, what exactly is an emergency fund? Think of it as your financial first aid kit. It's a stash of money set aside only for true unexpected situations, like a sudden job loss, urgent medical bills, or a critical home repair. This money is not for planned expenses, vacations, or shopping. Keeping it separate is the key, because it's this discipline that prevents you from sliding into credit card debt when life throws you a curveball. The next question is always, how much is enough? For 2026, the standard advice is to save 3 to 6 months of your basic living expenses. And I want to emphasize the word basic. We're not talking about your entire lifestyle, just the absolute essentials: rent or mortgage, food, utilities, and transportation. If that number sounds huge and intimidating, don't worry. The biggest mistake beginners make is waiting for the perfect income to start saving. The reality is, the best time to start is right now, with what you have. Starting small is more powerful than not starting at all. You can begin with a small, manageable target, like saving $1,000 or 1 month of expenses. From there, you build slowly. Remember, consistency will always beat speed. It's about building a habit, not winning a race. Now, where should you keep this money? The two most important rules are safety and accessibility. Your emergency fund needs to be there when you need it, without any risk. That's why a high-yield savings account is almost always the best place. It's separate from your daily checking account, but you can get the money quickly. Investing your emergency fund is a huge risk. Emergencies don't wait for the stock market to recover, and you never want to be forced to sell your investments at a loss. One of the easiest ways to build your fund is through automation. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking to your savings account right after you get paid. When the money is saved before you have a chance to spend it, you're not relying on willpower. Even saving a small percentage of your income this way quietly builds a powerful safety net over time. As your income grows, you can gradually increase the amount without feeling the pressure. Ultimately, the real benefit of an emergency fund isn't just the money. It's the peace of mind. It's the confidence that comes from knowing you can handle an unexpected setback without derailing your entire life. This confidence allows you to make better, calmer decisions about your long-term financial goals, like investing for retirement. At Money Clarity, we always say that a solid emergency fund is the true foundation of financial freedom. If this video helped you, please share it with someone you know who could use a little more financial stability. And let us know in the comments below, how many months of expenses are you aiming to save? Every great financial journey starts with a solid safety net.